Hello everyone and welcome to this open SAP course about SAP Retail Omnichannel Commerce. In the next 5 weeks you will learn about SAP's suite of innovations and end-to-end scenarios to support state-of-the-art omnichannel consumer businesses. But what is omnichannel and why is it so important, so paramount for retailers, actually for all consumer businesses? Omnichannel commerce bridges the gap between the various sales channels, typically between the physical stores and the digital commerce. So in an ideal omnichannel business, the different channels are harmonized to provide one consistent consumer experience. Prices, promotions, products, stock availability, product reservation, returns, warranty, all is coherent across channels. But omnichannel is more than harmonized sales channels. It is also a content strategy. Spam was yesterday. Today, it's smart, intelligent proposals, personalized offerings that match to the shopping context the consumer is in at the very moment, in real time, across all consumer touchpoints, across the brand. And it's not only about personalized offerings in sales activities, but also in email campaigns, in banners of digital advertisements, and in social media. Obviously, even if the addressed customer is still an anonymous person. And therefore, omnichannel businesses need data, consumer data. In omnichannel, the consumer is in the very center of the whole business. Okay, this all sounds like a lot like it all can be solved with smart technology. Cross-channel scenarios, promotions harmonized across sales channels, personalized offerings, big data analytics for consumer data. Simple. Just implement a high-end IT solution and you are done. Is it just as simple as that? Imagine a retailer, maybe 50 or 100 years in business, successful with its stores for decades. Everybody knows the brand. Now, increasingly under pressure, losing market share to online competitors. No problem. Let him build a web shop and a mobile shopping app, reduce online prices and discount delivery. It is not that simple. Remember the slide before? Simplicity, consistency, entertainment. Consumers want fun in shopping and they are spoiled. We are spoiled. Spoiled with choice. And we are not loyal anymore. Consumers demand attract us, convince us, enjoy us, entertain us, win us, and try to retain us constantly. Does this sound like a classical IT project? No. A retailer has not only to break down siloed sales channels, applications, and renew the IT. He has to transform the whole way the organization thinks and make it to rethink and redesign scenarios and processes, no longer from a business perspective, but now from a consumer perspective. SAP can support retailers and simplify the transformation with modern, consistent, future-proof omnichannel innovations, with seamless integration across high-volume sales channels, with a solid foundation to manage and maintain data consistency, with high-end solutions for big data handling and predictive analytics, with personalization and targeted marketing in real time, with simplification in the end. We will learn all about SAP's omnichannel innovations here in the next 5 weeks. Here we go. We have 5 weeks 5 units per week, so in total 25 units. Each unit is 10 to 20 minutes, full of knowledge and expertise. In week number 1, you will learn why Omnichannel is paramount for consumer businesses, why central Omnichannel capabilities are needed, and why siloed IT solutions struggle here. You will learn about the SAP reference architecture as the foundation for Omnichannel scenarios and innovations, and why SAP Customer Activity Repository is the central Omnichannel hub and the conditio sine qua non for the seamless integration of the various sales channels to provide one consistent consumer experience. You will take a look into SAP Hybris Commerce, SAP's digital commerce platform, and how it is integrated with SAP Retail Solutions and SAP Omnichannel POS solution of our partner GK Software. We will close week 1 with a session about SAP Hybris Marketing, SAP's cloud platform for digital marketing, and how it supports sales channels with smart, personalized recommendations in real time. Week 2 is all about consistent omnichannel promotion pricing. You will learn how to establish consistent, effective sales prices and promotions across channels, especially designed for high volume sales channels like the POS and e-commerce. We will present how retailers can introduce new promotion types quickly and consistently across all sales channels, regardless of the technology of the channel applications itself. Furthermore, we explain how to use the offers not only for pricing, but also as recommendations of incentives when the consumer accepts the offer. The topic of week number 3 is omnichannel stock availability and sourcing. You will learn how to provide a true omnichannel stock availability insight across stores, distribution centers, and even third-party warehouses. You will see how a true omnichannel order sourcing is performed based on the cross-channel stock availability and how stock is protected during the checkout process, not only in the web shop, but also in clienteling and endless aisle scenarios. In the system demo, you will see how intuitive the powerful omnichannel sourcing capabilities can be managed with new SAP Fiori applications. In week 4, we will look into the handling of click and collect orders in the store. You will learn how store personnel is informed about incoming online orders, how the pick and process work in the store and is supported and monitored, and how the click and collect orders are handed over to consumers. Of course, consumers can change the order at the collection point before paying is done at the point of sale in the store. We also present our in-store customer engagement solution, which empowers store personnel with full omnichannel and consumer insight powers and clienteling capabilities, allow endless aisle, line busting, and in total, a great customer experience. In week 5, we have quite a few topics. You will learn about where the home of the various master data is in a distributed omnichannel landscape. We will present you the SAP Model Company for omnichannel retail, a great piece of engineering which accelerates the setup of a whole omnichannel blueprint landscape down to just a matter of days. Retailers not only have consumer shops, but also run B2B businesses as well. So like franchising, cash and carry, markets for wholesale customers, or act as resellers for manufacturers. So you will learn how to establish a variety of B2B commerce scenarios on the very same reference landscape that is used for the retail omnichannel business. Also, we present you the Omnichannel Customer Wiki in the SAP community, where we continuously publish blogs, announce new shipments, innovations and events, provide expertise, guidance and also information for developers. Simply everything you need to stay informed. The SAP Learning Journey closes the course with the guide how to dive in deeper into the SAP retail capabilities beyond Omnichannel, which could not have been covered in this course. After completing this course and the final exam, you will have a superb insight and understanding of the SAP retail omnichannel capabilities, the best preparation and speed up you can get to date for the omnichannel sales activities and projects that lie ahead of you. Omnichannel doesn't stop in retail. It's about all consumer businesses. So retail has become a function. For example, telco companies, they sell mobile phones and contracts in packages to customers. High-tech companies sell computers and electronics. Consumer products and fashion brands sell products, meanwhile, directly to consumers. Sports and entertainment companies sell fan articles and tickets. Automotive companies sell spare parts, accessories, and some maybe even sell cars. Even public sector organizations sell parking lots and licenses to consumers and businesses. Insurance, airlines, media, travel, healthcare, life science, even postal, they all sell products to consumers. So omnichannel is the driving force behind the transformation of the whole consumer business space and not only retail. So we are looking forward to an exciting 5 weeks. In the next unit, you will see why central IT solutions and harmonized data pools are key to omnichannel retail. Stay with us.